Here's a quick and easy way to check the ammeter fuses on a class set of multimeters. What you will need: 2 digital multimeters, 2 leads with 4mm plugs on each end. Step 1. Find a multimeter and put it into the ohms or continuity setting and switch it on. Check that this actually works by using the leads you will use later to check the resistance or continuity of a metal coin, or just touch the ends of the 2 leads together. It should sound or give a very low resistance reading under about 2 ohms. If all is well, leave the multimeter on this setting and with both leads attached to the meter. Step 2. Switch on the multimeter you want to check the fuse on and set it to the highest current range for the fuse you want to test. This might be 200 milliamps or 10 amps. There may be separate fuses and sockets for each of the ranges. Step 3. Connect the lead from the ohmmeter common terminal to the ammeter common terminal. Connect another lead from the ohmmeter volts ohms terminal to the 200 milliamp or 10 amp terminal on the ammeter. If the sounder on the ohmmeter bleeps, the fuse is OK. Repeat as necessary, and finally don't forget to check the ohmmeter with another meter as described.